Hello friends, let we start with this question. In this question, photoelectric effect, the work function of the metal is given 3.5 electron volt and emitted electron can be stopped by applying a potential of minus 1.2 volt. There are four options. Which one is correct? First we need to find which option is correct. So let me start with some basics, because in this question the energy is given in electron volt and the stopping potential is given in volt. First we need to know what is the energy, means the electron volt energy. What is the meaning of it? Suppose I have 10 electron volt energy. What does it mean? It means if one electron is accelerated by 10 volt, or we can say 10 electrons are accelerated by 1 volt, or in many ways there are so many combination, or we can say 2 electrons are accelerated by 2 volt, 5 volt. So these are the same thing. It means, what does it mean? There are so many combinations which are possible. So this is the meaning of electron volt energy. And what is the relation between the electron volt energy and the joule? If we would like to find the relation, so 1 electron volt energy, if we would like to convert in joule, so 1 into charge on electron is what? 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. It means if I say 1 joule energy is equal to how many electron volts? So it is simple. I can write like this way. So this comes out to be 625 into 10 raised to power 16 electron volt. It means the energy in joule is, this unit is higher and this energy unit is very low. But in the photoelectric effect, energies are given in electron volts. Why it is so? Because energy in the photons are very small. So that's why we always writing energy in the form of electron volt. So it is clear to you. Next, in this question, what is given? In photoelectric effect, suppose this is a metal plate and we know there are electrons, free electrons in the metal, and this metal plate, suppose I am saying this metal plate is A and this metal plate is B. This is known as the collector plate. Suppose a photon is incident on this metal plate. So this photon having some energy, and this energy I am writing E incident. If this incident energy is equal to the work function is written as in phi, or what does it mean? Suppose this energy is H and nu naught. This is the frequency, minimum frequency, which is known as the threshold frequency. This is threshold frequency at which this electron will come out on the surface of this metal plate. So at this frequency, when the electron comes out at the surface at the metal, this is known as the work function. Okay, but this electron will not go to this collector plate. Why? Because this electron is having only small amount of energy which is utilized by this electron to come out from the metal, inside the metal to the surface. Now, if the incident energy is greater than the work function, then definitely this electron will have some more energy, and this electron will accelerate towards this plate, and if I connect these two plates with a ammeter, then there will be a current flow. There will be a current flow. If electrons are moving in this side, then current flow की direction, the direction of current flow will be in opposite side, and this current is known as photoelectric current. The photoelectric current will flow only when incident energy is greater than the work function, and this electron will get a kinetic energy which I am writing over here Ek, and this kinetic energy is equal to the energy incident minus work function. Because some of the energy is utilized by the electron to come out at the surface of the metal, which is known as work function, and the remaining energy it is utilized by the electron to go from this plate to this plate. So this electron will have some kinetic energy. So if we would like to stop this electron, to go at this collector plate, then we need to apply some potential, and this potential where the current will become zero, it means the electron will stop over here. It will not go from this plate to this plate. This potential is known as the stopping potential. It means I can say the stopping potential is equal to the kinetic energy of the excess kinetic energy, because this stopping potential will stop this electron which is having a extra kinetic energy. So the stopping potential is equal to excess kinetic energy. Now, what is given in this question? In this question, the stopping potential is minus 1.2. Always keep in mind, the stopping potential is always written in with negative sign. So we can say the stopping potential, if it is minus 1.5, minus 1.2 volt, what does it mean? It means in the form of kinetic energy, I can write this stopping potential into electron in electron volt. This stopping potential, like I can write like this. So always keep this stopping potential in a with a positive sign. So I can write like this way, 1.2 electron volt. It means if I apply this much potential, the electron will not go to the collector plate. It means this is equal to the maximum kinetic energy. So Ek is equal to, यानी कि maximum kinetic energy is equal to 1.2 electron volt. So we know the maximum kinetic energy is equal to total incident energy minus work function. Work function is given, which is 3.5 electron volt, and maximum kinetic energy is in the form of electron volt is 1.2 electron volt. Why I am writing 1.2 electron volt? So I am just considering to stop a 1 electron, we need to apply 1.2 volt. So that's why I am written over here in the form of electron volt. So total incident energy, if we would like to calculate, then it will be 3.5 plus 1.2. It comes out to be 4.7 electron volt. So out of 4 options, first option is, the option A is correct. What is that option is? The incident energy is 4.2 electron volt. In option third option in which given the higher, if I increase the frequency of incident photon, then there will be a increase in current. So let me see the example. In photoelectric effect, as we increase the photon frequency, this is suppose frequency number 1, this is suppose frequency 2, this is suppose frequency 3. Frequency 3 is greater than frequency 2, is greater than frequency 1. Then there will be no change in photoelectric current. So in third option, which is in which given, as we increase the frequency, is the photoelectric current will increase? No, it will not increase. But yes, stopping potential will increase by increasing the frequency. Okay, so this question is clear to all of you. Thank you.